G-Spot. And the race is on. Yellow Soldier from the outside is G-Spot. Down on the inside is Runaway Star. Okay, victory then comes entry number 5 for Ever My Love Star Eliza, Petrus Blanc, and Youngsta Gangsta is running at the tail of the field. Yellow Soldier by some 2 lengths, followed by Runaway Star. And on the outside, G-Spot. Down on the inside, Star Eliza, Forever My Love is racing in fifth from the outside. Petrus Blanc, Youngsta Gangsta, key victory. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Runaway Star in the middle. And alongside is G-Spot, Star Eliza as they race the final corner. Runaway Star, G-Spot is on the outside. And Yellow Soldier down on the inside. Star Eliza, G-Spot is now the leader. Runaway Star down on the inside. Star Eliza, and hitting the finish line. G-Spot by a length and up. Runaway Star, and finally the icebreaker, G-Spot. Runaway Star, Youngsta Gangsta, Star Eliza, Forever My Love, Petrus Blanc, Yellow Soldier, and